Hi there, Michael from the Academy. Hope you're well today. I mean, we all probably agree the best way to keep chooks is to have them free ranging, but in an urban environment, sometimes it's not that practical, and especially here at the school garden. I mean, obviously if we had the chickens free ranging, we'd probably lose half of them, and then they do their business on all the vegetables, then we'd have health issues. So the next best thing is to have them in a coop and have a like a run where they can run around. So at the school garden here, we've got this chicken house. It's around about 25 square metres, the chicken house itself. And there's another probably about 60 square metres of space where they can run around. So we've got about 10 chickens. So each chicken's got plenty of space to interact, to get exercise. And the other thing we do, because we grow all the food here organically, we feed the chickens every day out of the garden. So as you can see in my bucket here, this is a bit of a representation of the sort of food they get every day. So when we do the weeding, the first place the weeds go is into the chicken coop here. So that's chickweed. We've got milkweed, we've got seasonal produce. At the moment we've got lots of tomatoes, so we let them have tomatoes. We've got a couple of varieties, tomato, that's sweet bite, other bigger ones KY1. There's some milk thistle, there's some nice parsley, flat leaf parsley and curly leaf parsley. Then we've got some celery. So as you can see, they're not lacking as far as their diet goes. They've got plenty of vitamins, plenty of minerals. They're a bit aloof at the moment because they're a bit worried about us being here filming. But as you can see, we've got all this rainbow chard. We've got swede leaves, silver beet leaves. What else we got here? Got a real mixture. Any snails that we'll pick up and feed them the snails. We've got some pumpkin leaves, beetroot leaves. Even got some nasturtiums. We go nasturtium leaves. I love nasturtium leaves all year round. Got some broccoli leaves. So as you can see, they've got a massive amount of fresh organic food every day, and one of the things they love at the moment is it's going to be late in the season for these grapes, but there's still plenty of grapes around. So whatever's growing in the garden, we just pick it every day for the chickens. And even though they're in a coop here, they've got plenty of room, but they don't lack a really good healthy diet. And if you've got feeding the chickens good healthy food, obviously this is what you're going to get. You're going to get good healthy eggs. And as I said before, we cook in the school garden here 5 days a week, and we use a lot of eggs. So saves us a lot of money, and we know that the eggs are beautiful organic eggs. Okay, that's it. We'll catch you next time. Bye.